I asked for a manager. She act like she didn't hear me. Can I speak to a manager, please? I know where she's at. I'm asking her to speak to her. Shit, you said that 3 times. People wouldn't act a fool if y'all did the shit right.
She said if you're recording, she's not gonna go.
What?
She said if you're recording, she's not gonna go.
I don't give a fuck. That's your job, not mine. I'm off. I got all day. This little $5 chicken. All day. And she still hasn't came. I asked to speak to her. I hope you like your job at churches. And I posted this motherfucker.